So today we are going to see configuration settings in inventory management. So till now what we discussed is we discussed all the goods movement like goods receipts, goods issues, we saw reservations, then we discussed transfer posting, stock transfer, right? After that we saw physical inventory process. Now we will see the configuration settings, important configuration settings in inventory management. What this includes? This includes the number ranges assignment, number range assignment for material documents, accounting documents, and the physical inventory documents. So whenever we post any goods receipt or goods issues, the accounting document gets generated, the material document gets generated, and numbers are assigned by the system for each accounting document and material document. So where exactly these number ranges are maintained and how they are maintained, that we are going to see. After that, we will see important configuration setting, that is for movement types. The movement types that we saw till now, like 101, 102, 301, 302, or 303, 305, 309, 561, 521, 501, 411, whatever movement types we used, 201, 261. So if we want to customize any movement type, how we can do that? What are the settings that can be applied at movement type? That we will see in configuration settings of the movement type. So we will start with the number ranges which are assigned to accounting document in inventory management. So whenever we post a goods receipt, and if it is a evaluated goods receipt, material document is generated, accounting document is generated. So how the number is assigned to that accounting document, that number range, where it is maintained, how it is maintained, that we will see. Okay. So the number ranges are assigned to a document type. So we create document types, and the document type, the financial document type, it is assigned to a transaction, and number range is assigned to that document type. So SAP has given some predefined standard financial document types. Okay. And those document types are assigned to transaction code, MIGO. In MIGO we do all the goods movement. So within MIGO also, MIGO underscore GR, MIGO underscore GI, these are the transactions that are defined in system. So document type is assigned to a transaction, and to that document type a number range is assigned. So what is a number range? Number range is nothing but it will have a range of numbers starting from one number and ending at one number. And system will use that range to assign the numbers to the documents. So these number ranges for accounting documents are assigned to document type, and that document type is assigned to transaction, and based on that system assigns the numbers to the documents. Log into the system. Let me go to MIGO. We will display accounting document, and then we will see how the number range is assigned to that. Okay. So the document number is 4900000031. So this is the accounting document number that is assigned to this particular accounting document. If I go to its header, we can see here a document type WI is maintained here. Okay. So this WI is the document type that we are talking about here. Document type FI. So this WI is that document type, and to this document type a number range is assigned, which is determined here. Now we will go to configuration and we will see where exactly is this configuration setting. So SPRO, IMG, all the inventory management related configurations you can see under materials management, inventory management and physical inventory. Here you can see number assignment. Define number assignment for accounting documents. Execute it. Here you can see financial accounting document types and financial accounting number ranges. Okay. Now let me go to financial accounting document types. We saw it is a WI. You can see here WI inventory document, and just go to its details and you can see a number range 49 is assigned. If I go to number range information and enter the company code here, you can display the intervals. 49 2023, this is the number range, and in this number range only this number is assigned. 49 all zeros 31. The current number assigned is 35. So this is in between this range. So this number range is year specific 2023. Number range number is 49. So 49 is the number range number. A year is assigned to it 2023, and this is start number and this is end number. And this is an internal number range assignment because this external checkbox is unselected here. So this becomes internal. System assigns it internally. And this is year specific. Means every year at the end of each year you need to maintain this number range. Clear? So this is how these number ranges are maintained. Now if you go below, what is the movement type in this transaction? 701. Okay, physical inventory. Go back. You can see here allocate document type to transaction. So what we learned here, document type is assigned to transaction and number range is assigned to document type. So where this document type WI is assigned to transaction. So here you can see the document type to transaction allocation. So that was related to physical inventory. So I'll go to physical inventory document type, and here you can see the transaction codes. So when accounting document is generated in physical inventory, when the difference is posted, and for posting the difference, we use this three transaction code. Either you can post in MI07, right? Then in MI08, you can enter count and difference together. So that is also a difference posting. And MI10 also, you do all the three things together, creating physical inventory document, entering count and posting the difference. And a document type WI is assigned here. So this is where this document type is assigned to transaction code MI07. Document type is assigned to transaction. And to this document type, number range is assigned. So what is the document type? WI is the document type. And if you go to financial accounting document types, here to this WI document type, number range 49 is assigned. Okay, and if you go back, where these number ranges are maintained, here the number ranges are maintained. Go to AGCO, display the intervals. So here you maintain the number range. Once the number range is maintained, you go back, check the document type which is assigned to the transaction code, and to this document type, then you assign a number range here. Clear? Any doubt, any question?
No, sir.
Okay, good. Now, let us take an example of goods receipt. MB51 is the report that gives you material document list. Okay, so here I'll execute 101 movement type. So 101 is for goods receipt. Execute it. Now this is the material document number 400661. Double click on this. Go to accounting documents. And the number here is 510078. So this number is starting with 51. Again, this is accounting document and this is starting with 51 series. It means a different number range is assigned for goods receipt accounting documents. So if you go to display here, you can see WE is the document type that is used. Now go to configuration, select here WE, financial accounting document type, go to its details and you can see number range 01 is assigned here. 01. No, something is wrong. So first check the goods receipt document type which is assigned to goods receipt. So you come here, these are all the transactions using which goods receipt can be posted. So Migo underscore GR is basically used for goods receipt, Migo underscore GR. And WE is the document type that is assigned to it. Now you go back, check the number ranges first here, AGCO. And here we don't see any 01 number range. That's good. Go back to financial accounting document types. Here you go to WE, details 01. This is something wrong. Let me try creating a PO and posting the goods receipt. Check it. See, it is giving me a error that interval 01 does not exist for object RF underscore BELEG AGCO FBN1. So what is happening here? System is trying to assign a number using the 01 number range to the accounting document type. Accounting document number, here you can see the 01 is assigned. And system is trying to use this to assign a number to accounting document that will generate after posting this goods receipt. but system is unable to find a number to assign because this number range does not exist. That is what the error here. Interval 0 1 does not exist because in 0 1 we can see here there is no 0 1. Number range 0 1 is not existing here. What is existing number range? 48, 49, 51, 52. So that's the reason system is giving the error here. So somebody has changed this configuration, wrongly assigned this number range here. So if we assign a number range which is existing here, let me use here 2023. You need to consider year here. Okay. So if I maintain 52 2022, system will not consider here because the year currently is 2023. So this is year specific. So 51 I will assign here. So I'll assign here 51. Enter, save it. Now you execute it. We need to go back and come again into the transaction. Posted. Okay. Now see the accounting document here, which is assigned. So that used 51 number range. And you can see number assigned is 51 all zeros 144. Go to number range and the current number which is assigned is 51 all zeros 144. Clear? So this is how accounting document number range is assigned. Understood?
Yes, sir.
And you can use the transaction code FBN1 directly. Okay, instead of going to this path, the transaction code that can be used is FBN1 for accounting document number range assignment. Now the next is number assignment for material and inventory documents. Okay, number assignment for material and inventory documents. Now material document is this document 400766, right? So every goods movement generates a material document, whether it is valuated or non-valuated. गुड्स मूवमेंट हुआ मतलब मटेरियल डॉक्यूमेंट जनरेट होगा ही होगा. अकाउंटिंग डॉक्यूमेंट होगा या नहीं होगा, दैट डिपेंड्स ऑन द whether it is valuated goods movement or whether it is non-valuated goods movement. But material document will always get generated. Accounting document depends. So how the number range is assigned to material documents and physical inventory documents. So inventory document means physical inventory documents. So now we are going to see how the number ranges are assigned to physical inventory documents and the material document that is generated. So in standard SAP system, the following document types are predefined for inventory management. So these are standard document types that are given by SAP, which are those WA for goods issues, transfer postings, and other goods receipt. So whatever goods issue we do, transfer postings we do, and other goods receipt means goods receipt without reference to any document type 561, 501, 521, whatever we learned. Goods issues 201, okay, transfer posting 411, 309, 311, 301. So in all those goods movement, the document type used is WA. WE is used for goods receipt with reference to purchase order. Okay. Now we posted this goods receipt with reference to a PO. So here the document type that is used is WE for this material document. WI for inventory differences. Whenever we post any physical inventory difference, document type used is WI. Just before some time we saw while assigning the accounting number ranges. WL for GI for delivery. So in sales order, we do a goods issue against the sales order. So there WL is used. WN for net postings of goods receipts. PR for revaluation of document types. Revaluation documents means whenever you do a price change, the accounting document is generated. And to that, this PR document type can be used to assign the number ranges. Now, so these document types are used for assigning the accounting numbers. अभी जो हमने देखा थोड़ी देर पहले उसके लिए ये यूज होता है. Now number assignment for material and inventory documents. तो अभी हमने क्या देखा था, अकाउंटिंग डॉक्यूमेंट के लिए एक फाइनेंशियल डॉक्यूमेंट टाइप रहेगा दैट विल बी असाइन टू द ट्रांजैक्शन एंड उस फाइनेंशियल अकाउंटिंग डॉक्यूमेंट टाइप को नंबर रेंज असाइन होता है दैट इज अ ईयर स्पेसिफिक. नाउ फॉर मटेरियल एंड इन्वेंटरी डॉक्यूमेंट्स what happens is we group okay just like in material type number range assignment we had seen we used to group different material types in a group and a number range was assigned to that group. So similarly here you will group the document types for which you want to use the same number range in a group and that group will be assigned to transaction type and number range is assigned to that group. For example, see here, there is a group created for inventory sampling. To that group, a number range is assigned and what is the transaction type that is used for that? That is SI. On the right side, you can see material documents for goods receipt. So whatever goods receipt we are doing, for that we created a group. That group is assigned to transaction type goods receipt and GR and WF. These are the transaction types. And a number range is assigned to this group. And this number range is maintained 2 year. 2 year means till which year you want to use this number range. Now let us see practically in system. Before that, just read these few lines and you see physical inventory documents, number range interval. This is standard number range interval for physical inventory document that we create using MI01, which includes the following transaction types. Now in physical inventory document creation, we have different transaction types. So in physical inventory, I had shown you when we created it using MI01, IB was the document type used. When we used recount, IZ was the document type used. Okay, so you can see here IB for physical inventory document. ID is for physical inventory documents for counts and differences without reference. MI10. MI10 में ID का यूज होगा. IN for physical inventory document for recounts. IZ for physical inventory documents for counts with references if MI01 is there, and if you are posting count then IZ will be used. WV for physical inventory documents for difference posting if it is warehouse management. So these are the standard transaction types for physical inventory documents. So we group these transaction types in a group and number range is assigned to that group. Okay, material documents for goods movement and physical inventory differences. Number range interval, this is the standard number range interval which includes the following transaction types. WA for goods issues, transfer postings and other GRs. WI for material documents for inventory adjustment postings. WL for goods issues for delivery documents. Now see, goods issues, transfer postings and other goods receipt. हर एक में मटेरियल डॉक्यूमेंट जनरेट होगा, तो उसके लिए WA, this transaction type will be used. When you post the inventory adjustment, that is nothing but inventory difference posting. Again, material document is generated. There, the document type WI is used. Goods issues for delivery documents. Again, sales orders. WL will be used. WR for goods movements for confirmations in production planning. WR is used. WE is for goods receipt for purchase orders. So these are the transaction types that are used for assigning material document numbers. Now let's go to configuration and see where we can do this. Now this is the same path that you need to use. SPRO, IMG, materials management, inventory management, physical inventory, number assignment, define number assignment for material and physical inventory documents. Execute it. Now here, if you see, this is overview, click here and you can see this is a group, this is 2 year, this is from number, and this is to number, and this is the status, the latest number in the number range assignment. So a group is created and to that group number range is assigned here. Okay, I'll go back. I display groups, and here you can see the groups are defined. Physical inventory document, nothing is assigned to it. Non-assigned elements, so these are not assigned to anything. Now if you see here, physical inventory difference posting, and here these transaction types are added here. Okay, now here you can see, forget about the group name, IB, ID, IN, IZ, WV. So this IB is used when we create a physical inventory document, right? So if I double click here or if I go to its details, you can see a number range 09 is assigned to this transaction type IB. Go back, go back. Now go to intervals. Okay, 09 is the number range that we saw. So this is 09 2023, and this is the number range that is used. So whenever you are creating a document using MI01, save it. See the number that is assigned 10034. Display this physical inventory document. IB is the transaction type IB. Okay. Number assigned is in this range 092023. This number is for physical inventory document number assignment, not material document that is generated at difference posting. Okay. Now you go back. So this is how the number ranges are assigned. Now let us do one thing. We can check for material documents using goods receipt. Okay. Ego display. Okay. So this is posted using 101, and this is the number that is assigned 4000661. Now you check the number range where exactly it falls, or you can go to overview groups, WE. So WE is the transaction type for goods received for purchase order. Select this and you can see this is in the group test AB11, and if I go to its details, number range 08 is assigned to WE. Now you go back and check the number range 08, 08 2023, starting with 4 lakh, ending with this number, and the current number assigned is this. So this is how system uses the number ranges. So SAP has defined some transaction types. So these are all transaction types. And these transaction types are grouped into a group, and a number range is assigned to that group. So if we want to create a new group and assign a number range, that also can be done. How to do that? Click on change groups or maintain groups. Here you can see different groups already created. Now if you want to create your new group, click on create. Give a name to the group. For example, AGP2. Year 2023. Okay, enter. So system has assigned a number to it, number range number. So 11 is the number range number. Now you can give here a from number and to number. It should be a unique number. Okay, save it. 2468. 2468. Okay, save it. This is overlapping, so we cannot use it. I do not see any standard number. This is also overlapping. Why? It is there already. Okay. I'll do one thing. Okay, this is considered now. So this is the number range that we are going to use. Number range number is 11 till year, valid up to year is 2023. This is starting number, this is end number, and this is an internal number range because we have not selected external checkbox here. You can save this. Now go back. Okay. Now we have created a group here. So if you go below, you can see the group here, AGP2 test number range, and there is no transaction type added in this group. Now what we need to do? We need to add transaction types to this group, and system will use the newly created number range for those transaction types. For example, goods receipt for PO, I'll search WE here, go to this group. So this is in this group. I'll move this WE from this group to our newly created group. So place the cursor on this WE, click on element group, and here you see AGP2 test number range, and this is your number range. Place the cursor here, select it, and click on continue. Now the WE transaction type is moved to this group, and you can save this now. Saved. Now if you post a goods receipt, the number range that will be used is the new number range that we used. So let me go back to create a PO. Me 23 and my purchase orders. Stop it. Save it. Here we go. Goods receipt. Release. See, the number assigned is the first number in the number range for all zeros. Clear? Understood?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
this
sir.
is how number ranges are assigned to the material documents and accounting documents. Now, number ranges for reservations. If you go to configuration, go back, go back, define number assignment for reservations, execute it. It is simple. Okay, so for reservation, you define a number range here. So this number range is maintained here, and so first you define the intervals here that you are going to use for reservations, and that here it is. This 10 is maintained here, this interval, and you go back and assign that interval here. So this is the number range that is used. So this is easy. Here, one second. So in case of reservations, no transaction types and all these things are not used. It's straight away you just define the interval here. यहाँ पे आपने interval को define किया, and that interval you can assign. Okay, and system will use that. Now you go back, define number assignment for goods receipts and issue slips. So when you do the goods receipt, at the time of goods receipt, वी कैन प्रिंट द इंफॉर्मेशन इन द गुड्स रिसिप्ट पे जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन है, इफ यू वांट टू प्रिंट इट ऑन अ डॉक्यूमेंट, लाइक जैसे हम पीओ का प्रिंट आउट लेते हैं, वैसे उस गुड्स रिसिप्ट में क्या मटेरियल है, कितना क्वांटिटी रिसीव हुआ, कौन से प्लान में हुआ, उसका अगर स्लिप प्रिंट करना है तो वो भी किया जा सकता है। उसके लिए मैसेज डिटर्मिनेशन का यूज होता है, और यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो। ठीक है, तो अगर आउटपुट डिटर्मिनेशन कॉन्फ़िगर्ड है तो ये चेकबॉक्स सिलेक्ट करके विद द हेल्प ऑफ आउटपुट डिटर्मिनेशन वी कैन प्रिंट द गुड्स रिसिप्ट डेटा। तो अगर वो हमको यूज करना है, उसके लिए अगर नंबर्स असाइन करने हैं, तो दोज नंबर रेंजेस आर असाइंड हियर, स्लीप नंबर्स। ओके, so this is how number assignment is used or configured for material documents, accounting documents, and physical inventory documents. Okay.